Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show you how I made 8,000 using supply and demand combined with candlestick psychology, which gives me consistent profitable results. Also, I'm gonna demonstrate the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. Missing important tips can affect the accuracy of the strategy. Now for the settings of everything, guys, I'm gonna show you. Right, let's get it. First of all, we're gonna use Japanese candlestick, not the line charts or the bars or Aikenashi. Alright, and I'm doing this because a lot of persons requested. Then we're gonna use 1 minute, but not the standard 1 minute. We're gonna turn this to flag mode, right? And then select 1 minute. Make sure this side here is on 00, right? You don't have to trouble these over here, okay? And then just click anywhere and it will be saved. This is the settings for the timer and the candlestick, and we are also going to use 1 minute time frame. Okay, we're not gonna see, we're on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so let's find some beautiful trade right now. Oh, my entry is bad right there. Anyway, let's see what's gonna happen, guys. I want to show you guys something really cool right here, right? If you pay attention, guys, you notice that I was here, but you didn't see that part, but I was here and I was about to take this trade, but when I do this and I zoom back, I noticed there was a uptrend. So what I did, I ignored this trade, and that's what happened with a lot of people. Like, if you don't understand trading and you just randomly go in the market and take trades, your win rate will not be so good. You will lose some and win some. I ignored this trade and I took this one because it aligns with the trend. See what I'm saying? So it makes it very, very convenient for me to take this trade, and I ignore this one, and see, it's a winning trade. And this is what trading is all about, combining your knowledge. Okay guys, my entry is not so good, but I didn't want to miss this trade. As I was saying to you on previous times, whenever you're taking your trade, if it's less than 5 seconds, if you're taking rejection, supply and demand, make sure that the candles doesn't go less than 5 seconds. To be honest with you, make sure it doesn't go under 10 seconds or 15 seconds, whichever one suits you, but never let it go under 4 seconds or 5, because it's going to close on the next candle. Remember that we're using the flag mode. I'm just letting you guys know this, okay? So this price went all the way up. So my entry is super safe, guys. Super safe, because I know it's going to close below this zone which I'm drawing. Okay, so I know, guys, look at that. Oh my, sniper right under that. You see that? That's crazy. I don't know. I actually love when my trade closes. I like to enter trade, on the exact point. I love accuracy, guys. Accuracy is my motto. All right, this one also. This one now is pretty tricky. Okay, I'm gonna show you why. Because with the dojis, we mark it like this. All right. The reason for that is it doesn't have any body, so we just consider the wick as a body. But yeah, it's fine though, because we draw it from the middle of the doji. See what I'm saying? Right. You see, guys, I love accuracy, and this is what I teach in the mentorship, all these stuff. Because without accuracy in binary option, it's impossible to be consistently profitable. Beautiful. Let's find another opportunity. Guys, let me really talk to you about something important, right? I know many people might see me trading and you try to replicate what I'm doing, but you have to understand that I've been doing this for a very long time. So therefore, I will do it very easily. You see what I'm saying? Now you, on the other hand, you have to study. then you can do it easily. You see what I'm saying? And you have to give yourself enough time to learn. Don't force things, don't rush things. Take your time, watch the videos, practice, and then you will reach this level. Okay? It's not gonna happen overnight. Stop entry. I entered too quickly, guys. You know what caused that? Fear of missing out caused that, guys. Okay, I want to show you guys something here. If you never risk 250 on a trade, do not compound to 250. The problem is with this, your emotion is gonna get in the way, okay? And you're not gonna think very clearly. You're gonna take stupid trade, and then you're gonna say the strategy doesn't work. It's a psychological thing you have to understand. You have never risked 250, do not compound to 250. Nice. Okay, guys, I almost missed this trade. Let me see if I'm with the trend, if there's anything in my way. Okay, so this trade is a confident trade, nothing is in my way. Previously I was telling you guys about risk and the risk appetite and stuff like that. No, I'm not saying you can't compound to these numbers from $1. Yes, you can, but you need to practice and study. Okay, I've been doing this for a very long time, so you seen me doing it and it looked very easy. Yes, it took me a long time to do this easily. You see what I'm saying? No, for you, you're gonna have to practice. You see what I'm saying? You're gonna have to practice. Simple. Everyone can achieve profitability, but you just need the right mentor, the right teacher, and the right guidance. It's that easy. Let's find another opportunity. Right on top of the, guys, you see that? You see that? Right on top of the line. That rejection is crazy. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen here because the price is fighting at this point. Let me see. Okay, I'm against the major trend, but I'm with the smaller trend, which is okay for binary options, so I guess I will be fine right here. But you know, we never know until the candle close the results. So that's the reason why we combine everything we know in trading. Combine the trend, the levels, candlestick psychology, everything. Let's find another opportunity. Nice. Okay, so I have $1,778 on the line, and I see that the price came up to this area here. It rejected, almost touching the zone, guys. You see, I marked two zones. You see, the price came at one, reject, and came at this one and reject. But guys, my alarm didn't went off. I don't know what's going on. My alarm didn't went off. You see, guys, it passes through my alarm and it came right to my zone, rejected. If I was here, I would have taken this trade. I would have won this, but unfortunately, it came down again and gave me an opportunity, and this is a winning trade, guys. I'm taking time to explain this part to you guys because it's very important for you to know that once you're trading correctly, there's nothing to stop you. Okay, everyone can be profitable, but not everyone will be, because not everyone really want to be profitable. All you need is just proper guidance from a proper mentor. That's it. Very easy. Let me see if I'm against the trend. Right, I'm not against the trend. I'm okay for this trade here. Let me mark it real quick. I love to mark every single trade for you guys. I do this. If I wasn't recording videos, I wouldn't even mark any zone. I would just enter my trade the moment it reaches. But for you, when you're practicing, you need to mark your zones, right? Learn, understand, and visualize the trades that win and the ones that lost, and go back in your notebook. Make sure you have a notebook when you're practicing. Okay, I see what's going on here. Entry is not so good, reject very beautiful for me, nicely. Okay, nice. Guys, This will be it for my session. If you're interested in the mentorship and you want to be profitable, I have a mentorship which teaches you everything. You have to remember that this is my personal session. I'm just showing it to you guys. And if you can find value from it, then that's fine. But if you want to learn behind the scenes, everything, deep knowledge about the markets, I have a mentorship. It's a paid mentorship. And if you're ready to invest in yourself, you can, purchase the mentorship. And yeah, I will see you on the inside when you're in the mentorship. This will be it for my session, everyone. I will see you in the next video. Have a successful trading day. Peace out.